Well, hey everybody, today we're over here at the Port Orleans French Quarters Resort. Get a look at this one. Now, it's a little different than in the daylight, but this is the French Quarters. There's two different parts of this resort. You've got the French Quarters, and way over yonder, you've got the Riverside Resort. Now, this one's themed around the Mardi Gras, so you've got all the Mardi Gras colors on the inside. You'll have the alligators on the inside. So it's when you get to walk around, you'll get the feel for what I'm saying. But this is one of the nicer resorts, in my opinion. I've been coming for years. I love the Riverside. We just got done eating over there again. And Marley and I ate there a few weeks ago on the other Riverside side. But this is another one of my favorite sections. So we're gonna take you through. At the end, we're gonna give you guys a breakdown, a review of how we think this resort is and would we recommend it to you. So stay with us, guys. Okay, so we just walked in the main entrance. This is what you guys are going to be greeted to on the inside of the French Quarters. This is the main icon as you're walking in, the main doors that are going to take you out to the pool out back. Morgan's giving you guys kind of like a little bit of a look around. Over to the left, you got the bar and cafe, which is actually the Sassagoula Floatworks. So you've got a place you're gonna go, you're gonna get your food on this side over here. They used to have a little bit of entertainment over there, but I'm not seeing it over there anymore. And over on the right-hand side, you guys got the Jackson Square store, and you've got the lobby check-in. Now, each one of these resorts has its very own unique type of lobby. This one, I don't know if you guys saw on the some of the old videos, the Riverside has the fans up in the ceiling. This one's just got the high arch ceilings. It's got like the wallpaper way up on top, the treatment up on the ceilings. But this one's set around the south, way back in the day. And then over, one of my favorite stores, the Jackson Square store over there. It's got a little bit of everything in there, but if you guys get a chance, stop over here and check that out. So we brought you out back, and this is what you guys are gonna see as soon as you walk straight on through the doors, through the main lobby, and right out back. So you got the same medallions way, way back in the distance. Over on the left, you still have the Jackson Square store there. Way over, you've got the South Quarter Games. So that's buried in the trees, all the lights. And then over to the right, if Morgan zooms over, you've got the Sassagoula Floatworks, and that's where you guys are going to go get your food. Now, we were going to bring you guys in there and give you kind of get like a little run around what they have in there, but there's like 1 million people in there tonight, so we're not even going to bring the camera in there. It's just a big line. You're going to be walking through people with the camera, but this gives you an idea what it looks like out back. Really, really pretty place, and as you can see tonight, it is bustling. Well, let's continue on, guys. All right, so we came upstairs. We're still at the Port Orleans French Quarters. We came upstairs. We're up on the 3rd floor now. If you guys are looking out, you see all the resorts here all lined up. We're way up high. There's a reason we wanted to do this tonight, to give you guys an idea of what to do and what to see when you're visiting these places. As you guys see the pool out there, you've got the kids park way in the back over to the right, and this is the pool over here. Now, if you don't venture out, you're never going to see any of this, but check this out. That's a dragon. His tongue is a slide, and you just come see the kids coming out right now. They just come right out the slide, and the whole thing, you'll walk around. You've got the little ladders, the walkways, the bridges are actually part of the dragon. Then you've got the big pool. The colors of this place are just incredible. The pool's a beautiful, beautiful pool. I've gotten lucky a few times when I've been over here where I filmed it and I was the only one in there. They let me in early in the morning, so nobody in the pool, just me, and what a beautiful place. And you can see this has probably got one of the better water parks for the kids. Now, I like to shoot the water parks in the morning, but at nighttime, I don't really like walking in with the camera because there's too many kids in there, so I don't really like filming around people's kids and stuff. But we do, if you guys want to see any of that, we do have some of those posted in the previous years and stuff, so you get to see what it looks like. And then this is the pool. They just recently got done painting this. But wow, what a beautiful place. There's a couple more spots around the property we want to take you. Over to the right over here. I don't know if we can continue down. Come on over here a second, Morgan. Down on the bottom over to the right here, you've got Mardi Gras, and that's the pool bar. So as you're at the pool, if you want to go get drinks, you just walk over here. It's a little cut out in the wall and stuff like that where you're going to get your drinks. And then you can hear we got a horse coming by right now. So if you're not familiar with the Port Orleans resorts, you can actually come over, and when you're here, you can rent they'll take you around, you pay, they'll walk you around. It's like renting the little buggy for a little bit. But you see the horsey pulling you around, and you're in your little trailer there, your little old carriage from back in the day. And when you get to the resorts, all the pricing on that is posted, just like anything else. Everything is for a price. So when you guys get to the places, check out what they have at the main lobby with the people and stuff like that at the concierge desk, and they'll tell you what different things they offer at each resort and stuff like that. But we're gonna still try to get you around. We got a little bit more, and then as we're done with that, we're gonna walk you through our review on how we feel about this resort and if we'd recommend it. And this is finishing up the Port Orleans French Quarters right now. This is the back when you're out on, it's like a boardwalk, but it's just a big sidewalk, takes you all the way over to the riverside. But we wanted to give you a nice close-up of the pool. So you get in the back of the Dragon, you climb upstairs, they got a little light in there. It's either red or green. The kids sit down, they get the green light, boom, out the slide they go. But that's the front of the Dragon in the water there. It's kind of cool. The sea serpent. And if you guys get a better look, Morgan, I'll have you take the camera and aim it right over here, and you get to see the little water area over there. It's a real nice little area for the kids. It's probably the biggest one, like I said earlier, on the property. So there's so many things over there for the kids to get splashed with, walk around, get wet with. But as you guys see, you also have the boat launches over here. The people are coming out. They're getting on the boats. It's going to take them over to Disney Springs. And if you point the camera down the other way down this way, it's going to take you down to the riverside. So this boat launch here is going to bring you down to Disney Springs. It's going to bring you here to the rivers, or to the French Quarters, and then it'll take you all the way down to the riverside. But stay with us. We're just about ready to wrap this up. Me and Morgan are going to have a sit down and walk you guys through the pros and the cons of this resort. So we'll see you in a couple. And believe it or not, we got lucky enough to be able to get over to the aquatic play area for the kids here. So nobody's here, so we're going to film it for you. But this is a good look at what it is. A lot more than most of the little water parks on the properties have to offer. So you've got all these little water cannons shooting down on you. You got all the buckets coming out. Usually that thing spins a little bit when you've got the water coming down. You got the slides, and then you've got all the water in the middle, so you can just stay wet the whole time in there. It's a lot of fun for the kids if you guys get the chance to get over here. All right, we're wrapped up over here over at the Port Orleans French Quarters, guys. We just walked you through the main entrance, walked you through the center, showed you the Sassagoula Floatworks restaurant, showed you the Jackson Square store out back where that's located, right next to the lobby check-in. Took you out near the pool, showed you the walkway out back that takes you not only to Disney Springs. If you head down towards the right, you can take the boat over to Disney Springs, or to the left and head over to the Riverside Resort. But right now we're wrapped up in here, so we're going to start going over the pros and cons. Morgan, pros.
Pros. Well, these resorts, they do have a lot of walking involved, so the paths are all very well lit. Even walking to, like, if you have a room far out back, it's well lit all the way. You're able to see where you're going. That's one thing I like. You have anything else?
Yeah, so as I said, it's very well lit. The theming, incredible. You feel like you're in the Mardi Gras. Everything around here just screams Mardi Gras out here. You do have, one of the things I like is the boat setups out back. So you can either go to Riverside or Disney Springs really quick. Instead of having to take a bus or a car, you jump on a boat. They got an incredible pool. This is probably one of the nicest pools on all of Disney property, and they keep it really beautiful. You saw the Dragon, beautiful. Now they also offer the horse and carriage ride. That's unique to only some of the resorts. They do have it here, and it is pretty cool. You could check that out when you guys check in. But all in all, that's probably the best parts of the resort, I think. Some of the cons, I don't really have a lot. Morgan, do you have any cons for this resort?
I do have one major one. The bus rides, if you're busing anywhere, there's a lot of stops. In this resort, same thing with the Riverside. So if you're hopping on a bus, even if you're the first one to get on the bus, sometimes that's not a good thing. So you have to wait for every stop. If you're at the front, you have to go through all of the sides. Like at Riverside, you have the east, the west, the south, the different bus stops that you have to stop before you can actually get going.
And so it does take you quite a while. Like we came from Riverside over here, and it could have taken us like 5 minutes, and it took us quite a long time because we had to go to every single bus stop. The other thing I did notice, probably one of the only things I noticed, is in the food court, tonight they had a line. For some reason they had something going on in there. The line went through the entire food court, so we weren't even gonna walk in there. We actually had to cut through at the back to get out, and you were walking through like 150 people, so I don't really know what that is. I think they need a little more space in the food court. It just seems a little small compared to the Riverside. But other than that, I don't really have anything that's negative about this resort. Price of the room, $300 to $500 a night. That's not bad, so it's up to you if this is one of your picks and stuff like that. This is where my family likes to hang out a lot over here at this one in the Riverside. So we like coming over for dinner, for lunch, or whatever. We like the hanging out. It's set back, it's nice, it's relaxed. So it's another idea. If you guys are coming in, this is another idea for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. Once again, put down in the comments. We're trying something new. We're revamping the channel, and we're trying to do our videos a little differently. We don't just want to walk endlessly through the resorts. Let us know in the comments what you want to see. We'll try to get that in there. And if you have any suggestions, anything that we might have gotten wrong, put it in the comments and we'll get that corrected. And maybe we'll do a shout out for you. Thank you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.